Hey traders, a quick heads up here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So as mentioned in my yesterday's video that I'm now expecting a very good pullback as mentioned from 1.618 retracement, and then we can expect a bearish candle. That can be our entry condition. So let me quickly show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand the conditions and entries. So at this point, like I said, we can expect a few green candles from 1.618 retracement. So that is why I'm now expecting few green candles from here. We can get a push up to 50 EMA and then bearish engulfing pattern. Any case, I just want to see few green candles that must happen below 50 EMA followed by a bearish engulfing pattern. Awesome. So how nicely the price pushed up from 1.618 retracement. Like I mentioned, that 1.618 retracement can act as a support or resistance if at top. So from here we got a nice pullback here and on currency.com exactly from 1.618 retracement. Now what to expect from here, and as you can see we have this swing high bearish engulfing pattern. That is my sell signal. The way you can enter this type of trades is right at the close of this candle, and the ATR of this candle is 4.6. Targets can be 4.6, something like this, or what you can do, you can keep your take profit to above the wick and go 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So that is one way of entering this type of trade. The other way, if you are not an aggressive trader, then with a fib tool you can set your limit order at 382 retracement sell limit order, or 50% retracement sell limit order. Targets will be 1 ATR or 1.1 risk to reward ratio. If you are setting your stop loss above the wick, take profit wherever you want to take it if you want to manage it. So these are the ways I would enter my trade. If you want to enter in an aggressive way right at the close of this bearish engulfing, we can enter with a market order. That's totally up to you how you want to enter, with a limit order using fib tool or right at here. If you enter right here, then 4.6 will be your target. So that's what I'm looking at. Let's see how it goes once we have a push down. Again, the only zone to enter buy trades will be right here. I've mentioned yesterday's video starts from 1.955, goes down to 1.818, from where we will enter buy trade with engulfers or double bottoms, pin bars. All these are my entry condition. Once we have a break below this previous low, in that case I will start to look for another pullback entry and keep on taking short until we hit this level here. Not buying unless and until the price is trading below 50 and 20 EMA. So keep an eye here for your condition. Right here on currency.com, it is not a valid engulfing pattern. That is why I'm not looking at here. But if you're taking entry according to Onda, it will move here on this platform. So up to you. If you're trading on your own broker, set your targets according to Onda and cut your profits or losses once your targets is hit according to the Onda platform. That's why I keep both platforms here. I have an account with Onda. That's why sometimes I take my trades on Onda. Right here, if you see this candle is not an engulfing candle, right here it should fully engulf the previous candle to call it a valid engulfer. So not a valid entry, but we have a valid condition on Onda. Let's see how it goes. I'm expecting a push down out of net gas till this green zone right here. Let's check gold. Right, so gold has now pushed up. I was waiting for a bearish condition. I've mentioned my yesterday's video. Right here from swing high to swing low, we had a bearish engulfer, and in that case, if you enter your sell trade, that would be your stop loss already. Now right here we have two conditions, one for buy, one for sell. But if you're looking for pullback entry, we had a valid condition and that would be a stop loss. But if you look at this 382 candle, I had a message today from a member asking if this is a valid condition. Now if you're learning my full course, you know we have a valid 382 candle and you know the full rule for strategy, and with that price has pushed up and probably hit your take profit. So that is what I want to show you. Now at this point, price has now broken above 50 EMA. We have a change of trend. I'm not taking any sell trades at this point, so only looking for buy trades now. As you can see, after quite a while, price was trading below 50 and 20 EMA. It has now broken above both the EMA. So I'm expecting few candles push up for gold, few green candles, and then possible pullback followed by bullish engulfers, and only gonna take long for gold. We can get a retest of this zone followed by bullish engulfer and then a possible push up again, as price has now made a new high right after the break of 50 EMA. So only looking for bullish trade with pullback followed by bullish engulfer or with the retest of this zone right here. This zone is 1959.82, goes down to 1946.84, a zone to enter your trend continuation trade. I just want to look one more green candle to use this zone as my trend continuation zone. So we'll see how it goes. I will give you the major level for gold resistance in my next video. Let's check silver. Silver is now pushing up and broken above 50 and 20 EMA. We did not get any sort of sell condition at 50 EMA, and price is now broken above and pushing up, and right here we have a level of resistance which is 24.02, goes up to 24.60, from where we will enter another short if we get a reason to enter, like bearish engulfers or my double top entry pattern. So all these are my entry condition. Once the price hit this zone, I will start to look for my sell trades. Only for now we are just bullish. We can get a few green candles followed by red candles, then a bearish engulfer and a possible push up from here. So that is what I'm looking at for silver. Only looking for buy condition, not selling at this point. Last one we have crude oil. Crude oil has now hit the level of major support I've mentioned in my last video. I've sent this zone to my members as well, and we were getting a bullish engulfer, but price is closed below, so not taking this as a valid entry. But now I'm looking at on 1 hour time frame for possible double bottoms, something like this, and we can get a possible retest of this rejection zone and then a possible push up from here. So just looking for a condition from this rejection zone. Once we have that hit of the zone, 382 candles, bullish engulfers, all these will be my entry conditions. Wait with patience. Once we have condition, we are good to go long. For now I can't see any sort of condition on 4 hour time frame. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.